Cleaning and sanitizing your humble wooden spoon. You will be surprised how much crap comes out of these bad boys. The benefit of using wooden spoons is they don't scratch and damage your pots and pans, plus they don't release microplastics into your food. The downside is that they can get pretty nasty and absorb liquid smells and flavors. So I'm going to teach you how to clean them using everyday ingredients you have in your kitchen. Put a pot of water on the boil, add in some salt. Once your salty pot of water is boiling, and with the spoons, it's expanding and letting the timber open up, letting all the oils and the gunk come out into the water. And then the salt is helping to sterilize those wooden spoons. The spoons have been boiling for 25 minutes. Let's see what goodies we have rinsed out of these wooden spoons. Look at all that crap that has come out of those wooden spoons. Next step is to give them a scrub with some soap and a scourer. That's how easy it is to clean and sanitize your wooden spoons at home using ingredients you should have in your kitchen, salt and water. Do me a favor, share the love with a mate who you think needs to know this kitchen fact.